How to fix David Lloyd app won't let you log in. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You can give a fresh restart to your router or else you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and in the case you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now let's jump into these solutions. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your app store. Now search for the app David Lloyd. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Now open this option iPhone Storage. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app David Lloyd. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So close this. Now go ahead and long press on the David Lloyd app. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. You have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your app store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix David Lloyd app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.